Hello again from Tobago Cays. We are here the second time around for myself, and we decided to go snorkeling again. Look at these beautiful fish that we saw. So this is very shallow area where we ended up going, and you can see we kind of just snorkeling around here, but it's probably no more than maybe about a meter or so in depth. And here is Kendall, our crew and student, snorkeling with us. We are just trying to see if we can see any turtles or any other sea life down here. And apparently Kendall thought that over in the other area where he's pointing at, away from Big Mama's barbecue area where you can anchor or moor your boat at, just around the corner from there, that's where the turtle sanctuary is. You can see the ocean is very, very clear here. It's beautiful blue waters. A few fish you can see here too, and it's definitely getting much more shallower here again. I'm not too comfortable with that, to be honest, because there are some sea urchins at the bottom here, and at one point I think I probably had less than a foot between my body and the bottom. It's making me too nervous, and to the point where I'm turning around, and I think even Kendall turned around. So once we turned around, look what's coming. There is a stingray. Oh my god, Kendall had no idea that stingray is right there. I would have thought he did. Now that stingray turns around, it's coming right towards me, and I'm going like, oh my god, what am I doing? Freezing, didn't do much, just videoed, and look how beautiful that was. So here we're going again into an area where it was shallower again, but I had to kind of go through there because at the other area is actually where the turtles are, and you can see I'm kind of trying to see where I'm at in this area. We're going further over towards where the turtles are nesting or kind of feeding at the bottom. Look at this. This is something that I really love. The stones were so turquoise green. It's like the pictures don't do justice to this. It was like it was so beautiful, and I picked a few of them up that I have taken home, and they're gonna be in a little container with all the sand, some of it, and because we collected sand from different islands. Some of them have volcano sand, some of them are sands from here, but here is a turtle. Look at this. This is so cool. This is where they're feeding. This is where they're that's their home. They're grazing at the bottom of it. Look how gentle, look how beautiful this is. And this is not the only turtle there. There were quite a few around me. Some of them were bigger, smaller. Look at this. too. Oh, this is so beautiful. It was an incredible feeling to be actually swimming with them side by side. Going to see them a little bit closer up. It's just beautiful. You can see we had lots of beautiful experiences here. Our crew loved it too. And I'm gonna swim back to Surnat now and go back on the dinghy so that we can go back to Lady Natalie, which is behind that little island there. And we're going on to our next destination. So we'll see you there.